Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing no makeup look. It's going to be super easy and let's get started. We need to prepare the skin before everything else we put on, so I'm taking this oil from Clarins because our skin is a little bit dry and I'm gonna spread it out all over the face. I try to massage and touch the face very gentle. This is one of the reasons why my clients like me. I also want to use this moisturizer from Glam Glow. It smells so good and I found this primer works well for the dry skin. I'm just using my brush and spreading over the face. For the next step, I'm gonna use a foundation from Marc Jacobs Shameless. It's a medium coverage and long wear foundation, and it also looks natural, so consistency is a very liquidy. Be careful with that. For the concealer, I'm using Yves Saint Laurent concealer. It's kind of moisturizing and brightening your eyes. We're going to put that on the dark circles area, nose and center of the forehead. Blending out right away because it dries very fast. This concealer also reminds me concealer from Estee Lauder BB Glow, but this one is much better, so take this one instead of Estee Lauder. Okay guys, I think I found the best finish powder from Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish. It perfectly reduces shine and blur and imperfections. I'm applying it on the concealer zones. You can use any brush actually, but don't apply too much. I prefer to highlight the eyelids, and this palette from Dior Backstage is gonna help me with that. I'm applying it all over the eyelids. It gives you a little shimmer and looks really natural. So we need to get some more colors on the eyelids, and for crease I'm taking a bit darker shade from the same palette and blending a little bit here. Blending. This is my rule, blending all the time. To give our eyes more definition, I'm taking this pencil from Shiseido. I told you in the previous video, this line of the pencils is my favorite ever. I'm applying it in the corner of the eyes and just blending out. And of course, our eyes are not gonna be done without mascara. My favorite is Vivienne Sabot Cabaret. It is so cheap, works much better than the most of the luxury brands, so I recommend it to you guys. For the eyebrows, I try to make the natural look and shape, and I make them a little lighter than the hair color because I found that makes our younger. So I'm taking the eyebrow pencil from Benefit and fill them in from the bottom first. I'm not gonna be super perfect and sharp with anything, I just want to make them wispy to give natural look. And actually for that wispy and long-lasting effect, I'm putting some tint gel from Benefit and brush them out. It's really flat looking right now, so I'm taking these two shades from Dior Backstage palette. I just warm out of the part of the face that I have a soft shade and definition on the face. The heavy contour is really old-fashioned and natural beauty is getting more popular in North America. And I'm taking again this palette for highlighter. I take just a bit and put it on the cheekbones, under the eyebrows, nose, on the high point of the face. Because a lot of people still don't like blush, I don't know why. I take this pink shade and apply it on the cheeks. I actually like to put more blush than on this video, so if you want to make your face more fresh looking, you can apply a tint which will be on the lips in a few moments. Here goes. So, as we eat, talk, touch our lips during the day, I want to show you this amazing product from Medifit, Lip and Cheek Stain. It's gonna stay on your lips for all day and look so natural, so nobody knew that you have something on your lips. I think I want to make our lips glossy, so I'm taking this tint from Armani. I don't know guys, I'm obsessed with this color. Look at this, so good, looks so pretty. I bought it on a business trip to Miami and I apply it every single day. Thanks for visiting my YouTube channel. I hope you like how this makeup look came out. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video.